Yes, congratulations for this award recognition. So first of all, I would like to ask you, what does this recognition mean to you, and what is the impact of this award for your career and for the upcoming races for me?
So this award means everything to me because it is the highest civilian award for kids with exceptional talent under the age of 18, and it has opened a lot of opportunities and new doors in my career, which of course, like the Prime Minister said, that this award, use it to reach your future goals and endeavor, and do not be satisfied or contented with this award thinking I've achieved something in life. And that's exactly his words, and he was really inspiring. So with that advice, I have new opportunities that have come across, and I will soon shortly announce, I think
So, how were the initial years of your career? I mean, you are still very young, and you are now progressing from the juniors to the seniors level. Do you faced difficulties, or was it easy for you because parents were supportive, the schools that you studied were supportive of this kind of particular kind of sport?
Well, this question I think is really wide because parents-wise, my parents were really supportive, and racing-wise, it was really hard because I had to put in all of my hard work, which I still continue to do because I want to achieve my goal, and that's my dream. So that is what drives me to do it every single day. And my dad's always been supportive, and he's the one who supported me since day one. And my first and my primary sponsor is Aquanaut, also been backing me since day one. And my mom, of course, she was slightly scared in the beginning, and but she looked after all of my nutrition stuff and all the nutrition stuff and the fitness stuff. So she's also played a really important role, of course. But she used to be scared, but now she's gone over the fear. So she comes and watches my races sometimes and encourages me too. So yeah.
Okay, so you were talking about go-karting. You started from go-karting, and now you're progressing into the mainstream racing. How difficult is it, the progression of it, and have you adjusted to the changes that are required in real racing?
So I started go-karting at the age of 8 under the mentorship of my mentor Akbar Ibrahim, and I raced in the JK Tyre series in go-karts in India, and I raced in Asia and Europe. So I think go-karting is like the basic of racing, where it sets a foundation of how you develop yourself as a driver. So I spent a lot of years in go-karts because I think the foundation being strong is one of the most important things. This is something that my mentor told me. So yeah, I did a lot of go-karts, and I recently graduated to Formula 4, and since my debut year, I've been scoring podiums and championships in Formula 4 as well. And yeah, so now I'm taking upward with some new plans.
Okay. Any special messages from the stalwarts of Indian motor racing, like Gaurav Gill, Narayan Karthikeyan, because you raced with Narayan Karthikeyan for his team and the X1 Racing. So, what were his words?
I was really honoured when I heard that I'd be racing for Narayan's team in the X1 Racing League, because it had, the X1 Racing League brought in so much PR, and also it gave us an opportunity to showcase our talents across the country. And racing for Narayan's team is obviously got to be one of the most prestigious things because he's the Formula 1 racer from India. And I'm also really inspired by Gaurav Gill, because when I saw that he was an Arjuna awardee, and for all his achievements in rally and his attitude and his discipline that I've seen, it really inspires me a lot. So yeah.
You just mentioned about discipline and attitude. How important is discipline and attitude for a young budding racer like you? I mean, what would be your message to the fellow racers?
I think it's not just me, but any sportsman, for that fact, should be disciplined. And only if you're disciplined, you're going to make it on the top. Otherwise, you'll just be slogging the bottom end of the sport. So discipline comes first, and character and attitude, of course. Can't be arrogant, got to be humble. And I think, being humble is one of the greatest things you have to do. And
what are your plans for the future?
I'll shortly announce them.
Okay. And
nothing that I can say as of now.
Okay. So one last question: what about the infrastructure part of racing, motor racing in India? Is it developing, or does it need a few years to meet the standards of the international level?
By receiving this award from the Honorable President of India, I feel like motorsport is being recognized by the government. That's the first part. And apart from that, even with the X1 Racing League coming in picture, motorsport is a really big developing sport in India at this point, because everyone just talks about cricket, but now everyone's also talking about motorsport, which is great.
Even cricketers are quite hooked to motorsports.
And of course, motorsport is really thrilling, adventurous to watch. So, yeah, and that's all I like to say about it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.